The next question is question number 3. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at height of 1.5 meter and is inclined to an angle of 30 degree. Means this AC is the slide and it is at a height of 1.5 meter from the ground. Means AB is equal to 1.5 meter. This slide is making an angle of 30 degree with the ground. Now we have got a right angled triangle here to the ground, whereas for elder children she wants to have steep slide at a height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. The another slide is 3 meter high from the ground and is making angle of 60 degree with the ground. This angle is of 60 degree. What could be the length of slide in each case? Now we have to find the length of slide. In this case the length of slide is AC and in this case the length of slide is PR. Now in this right angle triangle we have to find the hypotenuse. In this right angle triangle also we have to find the hypotenuse. Here we know the perpendicular and here also we know the perpendicular. Now which trigonometric ratio can satisfy our answer? That is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, because we know the perpendicular. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse is the sine of an angle and the base angle is 30. Therefore here perpendicular upon hypotenuse will be equal to sine 30. Now we use sine 30 is equal to AB upon AC. Sine 30 is AB upon AC. We put the value. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. AB is 1.5 upon AC. AC is, from here we get the value of AC. AC is equal to 1.5 multiplied by 2. Here we get 1.5 multiplied by 2. Then 1.5 into 2 is 3 meters. Then we get the value of AC is 3 meters. Now here sine 60 is again perpendicular upon hypotenuse, PQ upon PR. PQ upon PR. Sine 60 we know the value of sine 60 is square root 3 by 2. We put the value of sine 60 and we find the value of PR. PR is equal to 3 into 2 by square root 3. Now you must remember that whenever we get the square root term in the denominator, then we must rationalize it. Now we are rationalizing it by multiplying and dividing by square root 3. When we multiply it by square root 3 and divide it by square root 3, then square root 3 into square root 3 will become 3. See here how we do this. It is equal to 3 into 2 by square root 3 into square root 3 by square root 3. Then it becomes 3 2s are 6. 6 root 3 by 3. It is 3 2s are 6. It is 2 root 3 meters answer, as here we have done. Then the next question is question number 4. The angle of elevation of the top of tower from a point on the ground. This is the tower and here is the point on the ground. From here the angle of elevation of the top of tower with the ground is 30 degree. Find the height of tower. We have to find the height of tower. Now base is given and we have to find the perpendicular. Then we will apply the trigonometric ratio satisfying this condition where we have perpendicular and base. Perpendicular upon base is tangent of the base angle. Therefore we apply here tan 30 is equal to AB upon BC. AB upon BC is equal to tan 30. AB upon BC is equal to 1 by root 3, because tan 30 is 1 by root 3. From here we get the value of AB. because BC is given 30, AB is equal to 30 by root 3. Then we rationalize it, and we on solving we get it is equal to 10 root 3 meter. Then from here we get the value of AB, that is 10 root 3 meter. The next question is, a kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. Here is the kite. It is flying at 60 meter above the ground, means perpendicular is 60 meter. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. Now the string of the kite is tied to a ground at point C, making an angle of 60 degree with the ground. The inclination of string with ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string, and we are to find this length. Obviously this is hypotenuse. Then we have the value of perpendicular, and we are to find hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse is sin 60. Then we apply the value of sin 60, that is square root 3 by 2 AB upon AC. Then we put the values that are given to us. AB is 60, and from here we get AC is equal to 60 into 2 by 3. AC is equal to 60 into 2 by square root 3. 60 into 2 by square root 3. Now we rationalize it. 60 into 2 by square root 3 into square root 3 by square root 3. On solving it, we get it is equal to 40 root 3 meter. Answer.